Hello and welcome back to SSP Crack Exams. My name is Anuradha, and in today's session, we are going to see why the defense candidates tend to fail in the SSB interview. As wise men say, failure is the key to success. So it is also important for you to know, before you know the success, about the reasons why one fails or tend to fail in whatever he wants to succeed in. SSP is one interview where it's very difficult to make out the reason for your failure. Only a deep introspection can give you a slight hint of the reason. Now, there can be many reasons for a candidate's failure in SSB interview. Here, we are going to discuss 10 most important reasons for a person's failure in the said interview. It's important to crack the written exam of the defense competitive examinations. To crack the written tests of the defense competitive examinations, you can visit our website sspcrackexams.com to subscribe to our courses which are exclusively designed for different defense competitive examinations. We also have our YouTube channel, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Instagram page SSP Crack Exams, and to know more about the other different kind of courses, you can log on to learn.sspcrackexams.com. We also have our mobile app, so you should hurry up and download the mobile app from the Google Play Store right now. So let's start with the reason number 1 why the defense candidates fail in SSB interview. The reason number 1 is lack of preparation. Now, this is a major reason for failure in any exam, and SSB is no different. Lack of preparation can be a big reason for your failure in SSB interview. Therefore, it is recommended that you prepare well in advance and rehearse with your friends or family members or with yourself the things that you have learned or that you will project in the SSB interview. You can watch guidance videos in our YouTube channel or read preparatory books to prepare better for your upcoming SSB interview. Number 2, lack of confidence. Being confident can take you to great heights in life. Confidence speaks volumes about a person's personality. The candidates who are not confident often hesitate and get under unnecessary pressure. So do not be afraid, speak and act confident, and preparation is the key to your confidence. So it's important for you to prepare well in advance before your D-Day. Number 3, not listening with an open ear. The instructions that are given before every test in SSB are self-sufficient to describe what they are looking for in a candidate. If you listen to the instructions clearly, you'll get a fair idea of what the test demands and on what criteria you'll be marked. So please listen to the instructions clearly before you start executing or you start performing the task that has been given to you. Number 4, lack of honesty. This is one major reason why candidates fail in SSB interview. If you can't be honest, you are definitely not fit to join the forces. SSB is about being brutally honest. If you are honest to yourself and to your interviewer or interviewers, then no one can stop you to ace the SSB interview. Number 5, being over friendly with the interviewing officer. The interviewing officers are taught to smile and be friendly with the candidates. They just want you to feel comfortable so that you end up saying everything they want to know. There are things which you would not like to share with the interviewing officer. Being over friendly will only land you in troubled waters. Be alert and don't let your guard down, no matter how friendly the interviewing officer behaves with you. Also, don't get too personal or sentimental when you speak of your achievements, your strengths, or your weaknesses. Number 6, lack of self-knowledge. SSB is one such interview where the more you know about yourself, the more chances of success are there. A person who is not aware of what his strengths, weaknesses, happiest and saddest moments are is much like to fail. When you don't understand and know yourself, you can't know anything better. Number 7, lack of knowledge about the surrounding. The surrounding you live in deserves your attention as well. If you're not aware about the strength, weakness of your near and dear ones, about their work or studies, or about what is happening in your surrounding, you will be considered casual in your approach towards life. So be aware of your surroundings. Also remember, too much self indulgence is considered bad and often selfish by your interviewer or interviewers in the SSB interview. Number 8. Dull, non enthusiastic attitude. A person who is cheerful and enthusiastic is liked by all. Being cheerful shows positivity, whereas if you are dull and non enthusiastic about things, it will reflect negativity. You need to be excited about the tasks, it should reflect from your attitude. So be cheerful and energetic, but also remember excessive excitedness can reflect falsity and deception, often pretension on your part. Number 9. Bullying and overconfidence. Forces is not the place where you can bully people. You need to understand that a good leader leads by example and motivates people instead of bullying them. You need to encourage your group and not dominate them in order to appear like a real leader. If you are being egoistic and overconfident, stop it right there. However, if you want to project your highly authoritative nature, it can symbolize bossiness and it can prove dangerous and undesirable for a defense candidate. Last but not the least, number 10 reason is being too serious. If you don't smile, you are taking unnecessary tension. People who forget to smile are likely to get nervous and thus mess up the things in which they could have performed well. So you need to take a break and smile. Remember that too much seriousness and not smiling at all can reflect your underconfidence and your fear. So try to avoid these important 10 reasons which can lead to your downfall. On the other hand, follow the positive characteristics that I have described in this session. Adopt these characteristics and try to prepare well in advance for your upcoming SSB interview. Also, believe in yourself, be confident, work hard, and do not fear the failure. Remember, failure is not fatal and success is not final. Jai Hind.